Hey you guys, I don't know about you, but I love to do different types of projects out in our garage, whether it be like the glitter tumblers with the epoxy or different things. But I've always wanted to have an exhaust fan so I don't have to worry about any of the fumes being so harmful. So I was lucky enough to get this exhaust fan from Vevor, Vevor, in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. It does have the touchscreen menu right here. It has 3 different speeds, or you can raise it up to a different speed or take it back down. And then it has the lights on the bottom, the 2 LED lights, which are very bright and come in really handy when you're doing different kinds of projects. But they also have the 2 fans right here that are easily accessible. We left the tape on it, the blue tape. It's actually stainless all around, but we left it on for protection. But let me show you the sound of it. But overall, we absolutely love this fan. It takes out the fumes, and we just have to get the other stack to put on it. But let me show you how loud it is.